Welcome. This session looks at how Copilot AI, working alongside large Excel files, can help leaders move faster and decide with more confidence. We will walk through the challenge leaders face today, what Copilot in Excel actually does, 3 practical use cases, the core benefits, and how Copilot compares to Claude and the ChatGPT plugin, followed with a demo. We will close with a few references for further reading. Large, multi-tab Excel files were built for analysts, not for the pace at which leaders need to decide. Workbooks with 50 or more tabs and millions of rows are simply too large to review by hand before a decision is due. Leaders end up waiting on analysts for summaries and charts. Important trends and errors stay hidden in cells nobody has time to inspect, and every team formats its reporting differently. The result is that leaders spend more time reconciling data than acting on it. Copilot in Excel lets leaders ask questions in plain language and get answers from millions of rows, with no formulas or pivot table knowledge required. It generates instant summaries and charts, writes complex formulas, and can explain what an existing formula is actually doing. It also surfaces patterns and outliers across tabs that a manual review would likely miss. Most importantly, Copilot works inside the file leaders already use, calculating and explaining large workbooks in place, without needing to export data anywhere else. Here is what that looks like in practice. A leader opens a large workbook and asks a direct question in natural language. Copilot scans every tab and row, calculating totals, trends, and comparisons instantly. A concise, chart-backed answer appears, with no manual pivoting required. And with that, the leader can move straight to deciding and acting. The real shift here is where attention goes. Time moves away from data wrangling and toward judgment, discussion, and action. The second use case is reporting. A raw workbook full of transactional or operational detail becomes, with Copilot's help, a set of auto-generated visuals that match the question being asked. From there, Copilot can draft a narrative summary in plain business language, highlighting key drivers and outliers. The output is board-ready, something a leader can share without extra formatting work. In practice, this means weekly and monthly reporting cycles compress from days of manual compilation down to a same-day turnaround. Pulling this together, there are 6 benefits leaders notice right away. Speed, getting answers from massive files in seconds rather than days. Accuracy, with fewer manual errors from copying and formula slips. Accessibility, since non-technical leaders can query data without formula expertise. Scalability, handling workbooks far larger than anyone could review by eye. Better decisions, because faster and clearer insight supports timelier, more confident calls. And collaboration, since shared, explainable outputs help teams align around the same numbers. It is worth understanding how Copilot fits alongside other AI assistants. Claude is strong for deep, exploratory analysis. It reasons well over messy data, runs code to clean and chart large exports, and explains its logic clearly, though it works outside Excel itself. The ChatGPT plugin is convenient for quick, one-off exploration of an uploaded file, but runs into file size and session limits on very large workbooks, and has no live link back to the source file. Copilot in Excel is the only one of the 3 that lives directly inside the workbook, reading and writing formulas in place, which makes it the most efficient choice for leaders who spend their day in Excel itself. Many teams end up using Copilot day to day, and Claude or the ChatGPT plugin for deeper, one-off analysis. Before wrapping up, 4 habits worth adopting. First, clean and structure the data. Consistent headers and named ranges make every AI answer sharper. Second, ask specific, scoped questions. A clear prompt about, for example, third quarter regional variance, beats a vague request to just analyze this. Third, verify before you decide. Spot check key figures, since AI accelerates analysis, it does not replace judgment. And fourth, scale it across the team by sharing prompt patterns and wins, so everyone works the same way. Let us look at how to do data cleanup in an Excel file using Copilot AI. You can select any AI plugin in Excel by visiting Home at top left corner of Excel, then visiting Settings, Privacy, and allowing the necessary options. In our Excel we have Copilot loaded, and we shall click at bottom right corner and make the appropriate selections. If you look carefully at this data, it is a raw data which has unclean data and needs data formatting, data cleanup. Observe carefully the differences in names, spaces, caps and small caps, gaps, missing information, etc. Our job is to ask Copilot to help us format the data and clean it up as well. Observe the steps carefully and see for yourself the difference that a simple prompt in Copilot can help the AI do the task for us in a matter of seconds or minutes. The saved time we can utilize in reviewing the data to ensure no mistakes done by AI. The heavy lifting of the data formatting and data cleanup can be easily given to AI. Now let us look at how to create smart reports using Copilot AI. As earlier, we shall type our customized prompt in the chat box at the bottom right. Remember, the more precise your prompt is, the more customized and meaningful the reports would be. A generic prompt would leave the AI to create generic reports. Type the prompt and then wait for the AI magic to unfurl. This may take up to a few minutes time depending on the size of data, complexity of reports, etc. Once the report is created, you can review the reports further or even make pivots manually following the designs of the reports. Now let us look at performing detailed data analysis, data findings and market analysis, strategic decision input recommendations using Copilot AI. Remember, the quality of your prompt decides the kind of reports you are looking at building. In this case, Copilot AI has done all the needful that we had asked it to deliver. Here are some reference links for future reads. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more and share the video with your colleagues and friends. For comments, feedback and consulting queries, please feel free to follow TalentSparks on LinkedIn or write to us on hello@talentsparks.com. Do subscribe to the channel for more. See you in the next one.